Hey yo! What's up? My name is Draego, and you are watching The Draego Show.
Watch me.
Dragon off!
Welcome to a new video, everybody. So in this video I am gonna show you my new gaming CPU, and I am also gonna talk about it. Actually, I don't know a lot about CPU, so if I make any mistakes in video, then I am sorry. So if you are going to enjoy this video, then give a like, and join Team Draego by subscribing to my channel, and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. So for the cabinet of CPU, I chose Intex P4IT216W SMPS USB cabinet. I only chose this cabinet because of its looks. It looks cool. Also, I didn't assemble the CPU, I got it assembled by a shop, and they didn't give me one screw, so it was little bad. I only chose the parts of the CPU. Now let's see the unboxing.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Guys, I am sorry, but I could not show you the inside of CPU, because I forgot to record it. But this CPU can run any heavy game at medium graphics. Yeah, I know I am not that rich, but this CPU costs a lot also. Can you please tell our audience the specs of this CPU?
Yes, boss. Hello everyone, my name is Kingy 2.0. Now let's talk about the specs. So the processor of CPU is Intel i5, 8th generation, i5 8400 LGA 1151. And the graphics card is Nvidia, geforce GT 730, with 4GB DDR3 memory. And the CPU has 8GB of RAM, and 1TB of hard disk, no SSD. The motherboard is of Gigabyte company. If you want to know more about CPU, then check out the description of this video. Bye.
Thanks buddy for helping me out. So guys, the price of this CPU is 45,000 rupees. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of money, for a middle-class family boy. But thanks to me, and my mom, I have a PC. I would like to give a big shout out to my mom for helping me. Thanks mommy, I love you. Don't worry mommy, I will be number one day. And I will make you proud that day. Guys, please make sure that you subscribe because we are so close to 500 subs. If you wanna see a 500 subs special video, then comment down below and subscribe too. Give me your feedback and suggestions in comments, and also make sure to like, share and subscribe. And if you wanna see my gaming videos, then check out my other YouTube channel, which is Draego, link in iCards, and in description. Well guys, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And bye bye.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.